This one I picked from earlier this year. Kyodi still resonating with Women Big Time.
Well, Kyodi's dancehall most intriguing from morning or since evening.
Kyodi from a Kingston 8 lane aligned with Governor and Idonia. Other hopefuls stalled, but he's found a song.
When me nice and summer gone, when me nice and summer gone. Penny na me brain, cushion up on the shoes me ease off on me belly. Faster than the Air Force me.
Every radio station, every youth pan him phone I played all over. You see that the song, man, I hit, man. You know hear it yet?
Carol, me gear it up, then where they gone. Me even have no license, bro.
So what's intriguing about you?
My style, my flow, my personality. Yep.
Nobody if I no pick me, I go pose. I'm money.
So tell me about life on the lane.
Inspirational, okay? I don't know everything. Most things are right. We get up and see it in the lane, you see it?
Hard to see it, do you? But no masking his loyalty to the lane's leading lights.
Fully forth.
So how much support you get from Idonia, from Governor, from people like that?
You get the support that's needed.
And what is the support that's needed?
Give me the body rhythm, them, motivation, you see it, and the strength as in when time for blast out the song, them, you see it, send to the different platforms, them. Whole heap of introduction to some people who can get an extra pull, you see it. You know, let me tell you, we not live to please nobody. If I no pick, me not go pose. Yep.
And new face equals younger ears.
Yeah, because them spread the music, and them a subscribe to my Vivo and them thing, they see it, and them have the phone, them. So you don't know them are the most important part in terms of spreading my music, you see it.
You know, when Idonia and even Governor were growing in the music business, the social media and the internet weren't all that big a deal.
Yeah.
How big a deal is it now for a youngster like you who wants to bust in the music business?
Extravagant. Whereas the corona thing, people are going to get forced to use the social media because you can't go out but interact with people. So I write those everything, the social media, you see it. I go upload my video. People start playing the video but them use it, them share it, them comment it. So it's a whole building process, you see it. Social media more compelling to the fans, right?
Duffy Magnum, Chavinci, even Mavado liking what they're hearing.
They know say a thing a deal, man.
What sort of songs were you doing before you got to this point?
All different type of songs, nothing specific, just dancehall though.
You're licking gunshot songs. Your songs were gun songs. That's what people know you for. You don't think I know that?
I build gun songs. Yeah, I build gun songs.
I did my research.
I build gun songs also, but not only gun songs. You don't know. We have a variety of songs, you see, so we can't just stick to one topic, so cause and everybody want to hear gun song. So we have songs so nice, we have songs about the woman, everything. Just subscribe to my Viva, you see, pre.
But as nice as you get on this song, you're making like mention of guns too, because you're on your bike and you're letting off because you're feeling so nice, bang, 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 even on your bike. That's not true?
Don't know, you have a rough said, you know, because you don't know the road is safe now. So when we're nice, we have to have protection, said we, don't it? Yep.
Nobody relies on the police for protection anymore. You have to protect yourself.
No, man, police are alarm, man. You have to rely upon them, man. But you don't know assistance to yourself. You don't know nobody help yourself better than you know.
But why do you need to do gun songs? That's really what I wanted. I'm not even criticizing
because I'm a hardcore DJ. I have to express my feelings. You see it. I'm never back, we never heal. KC usually go brave, me fall, but never heal. So I have to do them. So that make me feel good in myself. Express myself. I can't tell no lie. Anything you see me sing, I just meet that. Me no business, I just meet that.
But you look around in Jamaica and people are getting their heads chopped off and scamming around the road. And the more people like gun songs, it's the worst things get in Jamaica. You're not worried about that?
Yes, but the more people watch gun movies, I said inspiration for the youth.
Everybody going back to that tired argument about the movies.
Everybody have to get blamed then. Me alone can't get blamed. I'm not responsible for the whole Jamaica. You hear that? Me just a young forwarding artist, so I make an impact on the scene. So we just do what we think I go make we bigger. You see, the parents them, the uncle them, and the family member, and the guardian, and them response. You hear that?
And do you get more props from your friends on the lane because you're a hardcore DJ?
Yes, I'm not gonna yes. Because we love hardcore music.
Hardcore music like what? Give me an example.
Like what?
Give me a song, give me a DJ. Who is the hardest of the core?
No must boss himself, the goat man. But that you have found them a look. Yep.
What is he saying?
I got to have on them a look.
Bad man, time now, stop talking. DAB, tell your man, you don't want him.
Champion, I made Remy Martin. When me nice, I saw me go on. Penny na me brain, cushion up.
This is your big chance because you've been trying.
Yeah,
How hard have you been trying?
very. For instance, you have big ship around this, so you have Exodus. Them students, I just get my bike over there. So you know, say I walk, I'm a friend them for walk. Boiling sun any type of night, safety, anything, we have to just tread the road. You see it? That's one of the example. The next is, we reach on the studio, we don't show if you go in there for voice, we don't even show if you go see the engineer, but we just want to know, say we dead there. So there's a show with determination, you hear that?
And
the list goes on.
how many other people are there on this lane like you who want to bust in the music business?
Whole heap of juvenile are forward up, be about DJ, look out for them, you saw for forward back here.
Yeah, but you and I know most of them are just going to fade and fall by the wayside.
No, them under the right.
That's how I've been around longer than you. That's how it works. 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 will make it, most won't.
That's what them tell me before I find when me nice.
But you have to have the goods, so maybe you have the goods. But then one song isn't going to tell me if you have the goods.
That's why if you keep tuning and subscribe to my video.
When me nice, I saw me go on. Penny na me brain, cushion up on the shoes me ease off of me baby.
If things start to happen for you and the dubs come in and there's some extra money in your pocket, how is that going to change your life? What sort of difference is that going to make?
It'll make me can't stop walk, can't start move around and go someplace where you know more while you don't want to move out and just throw lack of wheels or what you have to build and them things. They don't know what uplift for life said we are youth around we have a whole heap of things for you, family, your friend them. You see it and spend power said music to get back better because you don't know we have something for proving. You see it, you don't stop you say, hey.
And what's the first thing you want to do with some money when you get some money?
Want to put something in my mother's hand. Never do that yet.
What's the line in this song that that people say, well, I like that line. That's the line that, you know, that's the vibe. That's what I like about it.
When me nice, I saw me go on.
When me nice, I saw me go on. When me nice, I saw me go on. Penny na me brain, cushion up on the shoes me ease off of me baby.
That line there. Everybody, you know, when time some people when they're nice, them try, keep themselves, you see, keep themselves to themselves and not express their true feelings, you see it. So, me come say now when me nice, I saw me go on the things them do when me nice. Enough people who do them think about what, them just feel like say maybe them gonna get judged by somebody if them act up certain way, you see it. So we just come through the people and say we nice, I saw we go on, anything we feel we just do.
And your song is a dancehall song, or it's a trap hall song, or it's a whatever else song, or it's like, I mean, are you a DJ or a rapper?
A DJ man, strictly dancehall man. Who can tell? You can never tell what the future holds. Me do someday with the rapping, I don't know. But we not a problem take on dancehall and trap, anything. But for your ear, you can know the difference, you see it.
But you don't sit down and worry about things like that. I mean, first and foremost on your mind is to make it.
Yeah. Start to make man. We no retreat from nothing, man. Nothing at all. Any rhythm, me say, any rhythm. Right now already, man. We just want to do my best. That's always my main concern, for just do my best. You see it, so any rhythm.
So since you're a hardcore DJ, what's next, a feud?
No, look out for your song name while produced by Yard Music and Icon Records.
You're not getting into a feud. You could handle a feud because you're a hardcore.
Oh gosh, man, we're born for this, man. Born for it, man, but I don't know, we're not chase that road there. You see it, we just try to do the right thing, and my voice get heard so more people hear me, see the talent, you see it, and stick around and subscribe to my Vivas, me tell you, and you hear the thing there.
So what, no more gun songs?
No man, all it more still a forward, man. Me tell you say, a variety of spice in it, you see it. So.
More shots yet to lick.
Oh you mean, man? Fire.
But no need to take cover just yet. That's Kyodi with When Me Nice.
Them got the nail on all your toes. No don't do what and I'm a hose. When me nice, I saw me go on. When me nice, I saw me go on.